In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply the zoom in and zoom out effect on Capcut. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, you're going to begin by selecting the clip that you want to apply the zoom in, zoom out effect to. For example, let's say I want to do this on this video, so I'm going to make sure that I have this clip selected, and I'm going to click this keyframe right there. It should add a diamond to my video. Then, I'm going to scroll for where I want the zoom in to end and click the same keyframe button. Then I'm going to click on the actual video and have it zoom in just a little bit. So as you can see, it's zoomed in. Now as it plays, it will zoom in just like that, and it'll stop when I clicked the keyframe. Now, same thing, if you want to zoom out, all you have to do is click a keyframe as well. So let's say I just want to delete this keyframe. I'm going to click the minus, and I want to zoom back out from where I zoomed in. I'm going to go for where I want it to zoom out until, click the keyframe, click the clip, and zoom out as well. And as you can see, it zooms in, it zooms out, and it zooms in again, just like that. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.